Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Saturday, September 6, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 19 years. Been working full-time for myself since 2018, and I am very passionate about helping others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with that being said, I thought I would talk to you today about mailbox money versus paycheck money. All right, and the important differences. Because we all know, paycheck money pays for today, right? It'll pay for your gas money, your bills, some groceries, but it's tied to the hours that you work, right? And even if you're on salary, usually you're getting taken advantage of, right? But it's all dependent on you having to go to your work, punch in, punch out, and it's based on hours, right? So if you don't go there and you don't work, you don't get a paycheck. And that's not good, right? Whereas mailbox money comes in around the clock. It comes in while you're sleeping. It comes in while you're out enjoying life. And it pays for your future. And it gives you freedom. And it gives you security. It pays for your tomorrow, right? Paycheck money pays for today, helps you get through today. Mailbox money pays for your tomorrow. And with mailbox money, there's so many different benefits, right? First of all, it's residual income. So you get paid over and over and over again from doing something one time. This is what helps create financial freedom. And more importantly, time freedom, right? So where you're able to go and do what you want, when you want, for as long as you want, and not have to worry about cash flow. Whereas with a paycheck, you can't do whatever you want, whenever you want, because you have to be at your job or else you don't get a paycheck. So it's, I'm sorry, I'm just waiting for this lady. I don't know what. Okay, you're good. Sorry about that. So you want to build mailbox money. You want to have residual income coming in no matter what you're doing, right? So like today, I'm going to go to the soap shop. I got a couple things I got to do there. But then afterwards, my day's free. Tina and I can go do whatever we want. And, that's how it is every day. Right? As long as I'm checking into our soap shop and making sure everything's running fine there, then the rest of the day is free to do whatever. Because I have systems in place that do the selling and telling for me and that pay me residual income. And I do social media marketing and I do direct mail marketing. Here's a little stack of letters I put together last night. Right? These are going to go out in the mail today. It has my QuickSilver opportunity in here. Speaking of real mailbox money. Right? So with QuickSilver, we have real gold and silver that you can set up to be delivered to your home every single month on auto shipment, right? We call it auto wealth delivery. You're getting real tangible products in the mail that have real value. Basically, you're trading your fiat money for real tangible assets that are going to continue to go up in value. That's real mailbox money, right? So the cool thing about QuickSilver is not only can you get gold and silver shipped to your door every month, but the company has a business opportunity side to it as well. So you can share the opportunity and get paid up to 7 different ways just from sharing the opportunity. And silver and gold are on fire right now. Okay? They're going to continue to go up because the demand is increasing for them. And with a limited supply, we know that demand drives the cost of, the price of stuff, the value of something, right? If something's in demand and there's not much of it, the price of it's going to go up. So with QuickSilver, we have a very simple system where you can go and offer, give away free silver, right? I got these little cards here. You can get a free silver bar just for checking out our website. You can go to silverstackingempire.com. All right, silverstackingempire.com. You can get a free silver bar shipped right to your door. You pay $2.74 for shipping if you're in the United States, and I believe it's like $3.74 if you're international. All right, we're in 29 different countries. That gets people into the door. That gets people into our system where they can check out what we have to offer. And then once they're in the system does all the selling and telling for me. And the person can either join as a preferred customer. All right, you can be a retail customer, but if you join as a preferred customer, it's free and you get membership pricing. And you can also join as a wealth ambassador, right? And that's where you have the opportunity to become a wealth ambassador and share the opportunity with other people and get paid 7 different ways for sharing the opportunity. Now, to me, that's real mailbox money right there, right? We're talking about real money coming into your mailbox every month and then going and sharing the opportunity, which is super easy to do because you're giving away free bars of silver and you're building a team and organization. And I know that I've said not too long ago that I was done building teams and organizations because I've been doing this for so long and I built huge teams and then they all just collapse. But I can tell you one thing. I joined QuickSilver in December of 2024 and really didn't put too much effort into it at first. I was just stacking silver, okay? When I started putting effort into it and sharing the free bars of silver, I've referred dozens of people into this opportunity already, and I only have 3 people who have stopped doing it since December. I had 4 people, but one of the people saw how powerful it was and rejoined. So the retention rate in this opportunity is unlike any other opportunity that I've ever been with, where most people, they start and then they quit within 30 days. Right? People are seeing the value of this. It's not just getting weight loss pills in the mail. This is real tangible assets that are going to continue to increase in value that are helping you to build your investment portfolio. Right? So why would you quit? You know, and you can get silver shipped to you for as little as $8.97 a month. So it's super affordable for everybody. Right? And then if you want to be a wealth ambassador, you pay $9.97 a month for the wealth platform, which is basically your entire back office. You get a replicated shop and everything like that. You get a sales page. And then we have our own branded marketing system if you really want to take it up and build your business to the next level. Right? And that has capture pages, autoresponders. It's a whole customer it's a whole CRM basically, right? You can send out broadcast emails, and that is the system that allows you to give away free silver. So they give you a free 7-day trial of that, and then that's only $7.77 a month. So for $30 a month, less than $30, you can have your own precious metals business, have silver shipped to your doorstep on autopilot, and have the chance to get paid up to 7 different ways by sharing the opportunity with other people. It's just a no-brainer. I mean, it's just, if you're in the work from home space, you want to be a part of this no matter whatever else it is that you're promoting. It doesn't affect anything. It's not competing with any other opportunities, right? It's not competing with any other opportunities. Let's go. And it's just a no-brainer. It's just a flat-out no-brainer. So if you want to check this out, QuickSilver Wealth Accelerated out, I'll have a link down below. And let me tell you this, the company does everything the right way. They've been in business since 2019. The admins are super transparent. They hold overview calls every week. There's 2 of those. There's a training webinar every week for the wealth ambassadors. We have some other team members who do calls throughout the week. So there's plenty of places to invite, your prospects to. There's plenty of training for you to learn how to do this. It's very simple, very, very simple. And when you join me, you'll get my resource page. You'll get my letter template that I use and all my letters that I send out. You'll get my contact info. So if you have any questions, you can reach out to me. And it's just a fun opportunity. Something I kicked myself in the rear end for, that I didn't take this more serious in the beginning when I was just stacking silver. But I'm with it now. I'm ranking up. Our team is growing. And it's a very lucrative compensation plan for those who take action. All right? Action takers. That's what you have to do if you want success. You have to show up every day, take massive action, and stay consistent. And I'm telling you right now that it doesn't get any easier than giving out free silver bars. Right? Who is going to say no to that? So you drive traffic over to your system by giving away free silver bars. The system takes over and does all the selling and telling for me, sends out emails on my behalf for 7 weeks. And the majority of people, not only do they get the silver bar, but they end up joining either as a preferred customer or as a wealth ambassador. Right? It's simple to do. Does it take work? Yes. You have to show up every day? Yes. You have to stay consistent? Yes. But you can do this with online marketing or offline marketing, or both, like I do. And there's no better time to start stacking silver than now, because all the experts are saying that silver is just going to continue to go up in price. And it's a real tangible asset that you have in your hand, physical silver and gold in your hand. And there's legislation being passed where 26 states next year, I think it's 23 or 26 states next year, are going to recognize silver and gold as a currency, right? So it's just, I mean, it's awesome. Our dollar bills are backed by nothing, right? It's fiat money backed by nothing. So why not trade those paper dollars that aren't worth anything, right? And get something that is real, tangible, something you can hold in your hand, something that if something ever happens to our monetary system or the banks ever freeze up and you can't access your paper money, you have something in your hand that you can use to barter with, all right? So if you have any questions about this, reach out to me. If you're ready to build your mailbox money empire and start getting checks in the mail and real silver and gold in the mail, go to silverstackingempire.com, right? Silverstackingempire.com. Get a free silver bar, right? It's $2.47 for shipping. At the very bare minimum, get a free silver bar, okay? And then reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm here to help you out. But that's it for today's video. I hope you found value. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And feel free to share this. You know, maybe this isn't something you're into, or, you know, you're not looking to start a home-based business, or you're not interested in stacking silver and gold, but you might know somebody who is. Please feel free to share this. That helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. So with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.